Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Palladium Pampa men's canvas boots. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like up close, try them on, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open here, there's two of them obviously. I'm just going to kind of focus on the one, give you a feel for kind of the overall look of this thing. While we kind of look at it, talk about a couple things. This is a size 10.5 for me. I'm gonna just point out a little flap here. It's a canvas look and feel, rubberized here, kind of like the old school Chuck Taylor All Stars, rubberized heel as well. Now this is meant to be kind of just loose here. It's not going to be well padded up at the top or anything like that. There is going to be laces. And let me just get this out real quick so we can get a better feel for what it's going to be like inside. A good bend here, so you'll be able to kind of be active. Heel and sole. Pretty solid. And again, there's not going to be much here. There's going to be usually the kind of the bottom of your foot, that soft area. That's actually going to be a little protected here with this, so be aware of that. As far as the inside, again, not a lot of thickness here. It's kind of just that soft canvas all the way around. And I know you can't see this, but I'm putting my thumb down to the bottom to try and test out the sole. Feels pretty good. So as mentioned, we're going to kind of found it in Lyon, France. We're going to go ahead and get these tried on and take it from there. All right, so just want to show you what these look like. I'm going to kind of back off and walk around a little bit. Hopefully you'll be able to keep the angle, but they look great. They feel great. Very lightweight, plenty of flexibility. And I'll pull these up as I walk so you can kind of see. And let me just adjust the camera slightly here. Anyway, so very smooth, very easy. Love the little rubber toe. It's not steel or anything, so don't be, silly with it. But very comfortable in general. And again, when I wear the pants over, can't really tell that they're necessarily high top boots without pants, but comfortable. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you. Thanks for watching.